Hello and welcome to another update video about FETCH.AI. So FETCH chart continues to be in the overall correction, you could say. So we are still hovering here around the wave 4 support region, even though Bitcoin moved up a little bit. Yeah, FET as well. At least Tradingview shows me 2.9% to the upside, but there isn't really much there that you could see without a magnifying glass. So that means there is nothing that gives me really a good feeling about this correction, I have to say. So I don't really feel good about this white wave count, as I said before. Also in yesterday's video, we explored the idea that a fifth wave might have started, but I highlighted that it doesn't look very motivated. And to really keep the white scenario alive, the market needs to hold the $1.06 support level. Why is this level so important? Because the $1.06 level is the 50% Fibonacci retracement of the third wave rally. And this is typically really critical for a fourth wave in an impulse. So I'm not too convinced about it, but it could still work on this white wave 5, maybe if wave 5 is a diagonal pattern. So that's still alive, that wave count, but I have to say that below $1.06, a more bearish interpretation takes the lead. Already now, I'd say that that FET really reaches in a fifth wave, 153 or even $1.73. Not likely. Okay, it's not likely. Probability is fairly balanced. I'd actually be impressed if it can do it. So it needs to do a lot of work to get there. But it would be a good and bullish signal if we could get there, because then we can call this move up that started here on the 5th of August a wave 1, and it would be the first step for FET to rally into the $4 region. But as long as that's not the case, as long as we don't have 5 waves up, which would be our signal that something bullish is playing out, we have to consider that we're just dealing with a B wave pullback here. And that would be yellow wave B. That would be the next most bullish scenario, but it would be a little bit more questionable as well. So if we are in a B wave pullback, that could be wave B of 3. So let's say, yep, we had an initial 1-2 setup. The rally then, which appears to be in 5 waves, could have been an A wave in 5 waves. Now we're working on a B wave, which might just go a little bit lower, but the key level here, invalidation point, is 80.5 cents. That's the swing low from the 18th of August. So as long as that level is holding, we could explore the idea of a diagonal pattern, but that would require even more work to fill in all 5 waves here. The most straightforward way would be to just form one more high, but if FET can't do it, it just indicates weakness. And you can see basically how FET tries to avoid forming that 5th wave. Not great, not clearly bullish. So yeah, these are the 2 scenarios I'm watching. Please note that below 80.5 cents, there is nothing bullish left here. Yep, the market could still test the 52 cent level, which is the 61.8 retracement of the larger cycle, but it would require an entire new setup then from the lows. And that would also indicate weakness, because a wave 4 that reaches the golden ratio level, it just indicates weakness. It wouldn't be good, but it would still be one more bullish support level that is available on the larger time frame chart. Just really the last one, yeah, I have to say. So that FET doesn't look great was mentioned already months ago when FET topped in March, and FET only reached the 1.236 extension at the larger at the top of the larger third wave. Internet is a bit slow here, but it reached here only the $3.40 level. Ideally, it would have pushed higher into the $4 region. This here was the 1.236 extension for a third wave that is extremely weak. It's the bare minimum, really, and that typically doesn't give much confidence overall. But again, FET has a chance as long as that 52 cent level is holding. In the very short term, the $1.06 level and then 80.5 cents are support. That's the update about FET. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.